Hi, my name is Jason Hutt. I'm the Orion Crew Systems Integration Lead and the Orion Human Rating Lead. I'm going to walk you through a little bit today of what we're doing to get the Orion capsule ready for crew to return to the moon for the first time since 1972. I'm joined today by a couple of special guest crew members here. I've got my daughter Samantha and my daughter Charlie, as well as a special guest crew member in our fourth seat, as well as a few ground crew members that you'll see wandering in and out of the capsule. We've marked off about 10-foot diameter here on the floor. Everything that we will need to do for the Orion mission will be inside of this circle. You can see here we've got 4 seats, as Orion is designed to carry 4 crew members back to the moon. Now I'm going to get in my seat because we're going to get ready to start this mission, and I'm going to walk you through some of what the crew will have to do on Artemis II. Put on my helmet, get in my chair. Okay, Samantha, are you okay to go?
I'm okay to go.
All right, launch. All right, we are now in space after our 8-minute ascent, and we want to get this cabin ready for our 10-day trip around the moon. First thing we want to do is give ourselves as much room as possible. So we're going to pile up our seats, take off our suits and helmets, including for crew member number 4. And then we're going to start getting things out of our Orion aft stowage integrated system. So first I'm going to pull out the cargo net that'll keep all this stuff in place. Our other crew members can use that. While they're doing that, after 3 hours on the launch pad, I might need to use the toilet. But we're not just going to pretend to that for today. In our Orion stowage system, you'll find everything that the crew will need to use for that 10-day mission. That includes food warmer with meal packets, tablets for talking with home, cameras for taking pictures of the moon and of inside the spacecraft, trash bags, wipes for cleaning the capsule, and exercise equipment. To help fight the effects of low gravity, each crew member will be required to exercise for up to 30 minutes per day. We have, over there, an exercise device inside Orion that will allow the crew members to complete 30 minutes of exercise per day. Once they're done with that, we will want to clean up a little bit. Of course, everybody remember to bring their towel, wipe that down, and then it's been a long day, so we're going to need to get the cabin ready for sleep. Everybody's got their sleeping bag. We need to put our things away and clean up our capsule. All right. And unroll our sleeping bags and figure out how to fit 4 crew members crisscrossed in this cabin in no gravity. And then settle down for a nice night's sleep. Now, in addition to having all of these things to complete your everyday activities, we also have equipment to keep the crew safe during their Artemis II missions. That includes a medical kit with, of course, basic first aid supplies, as well as some equipment for medical emergencies. And it includes masks in the event that there is a fire on board the spacecraft. Every crew member has their mask, even little Yoda. And of course, we have a fire extinguisher. Now, in addition to that, of course, the other thing that we're very concerned about and want to make sure we protect the crew from is in the event that the spacecraft has an air leak. And for that, we have our spacesuits, which we have conveniently stored in the cabin. So every astronaut will need to quickly put on their spacesuit. The real astronauts will have about 30 minutes to get this suit on, put their helmet on, and then be ready to return home. Are we good to go home?
We're good to go home.
Good to go home? All right. I hope you enjoyed our home demonstration of the interior of the Orion capsule in preparation for Artemis II. For more fun from home activities and more information on Artemis missions, please visit NASA.gov.